So we do sell a lot of Porsches here. Right behind me, just arrived, that we have taken in part exchange, is a 2022 72 registration Porsche 911 Carrera GTS with just one owner from new. The car's done 13,000 miles, full Porsche service history, and it has got the remainder of the Porsche warranty up until August 2028. How much more peace of mind could you physically want? The good thing about the Porsche GTS 911 like this one is the car has 480 brake horsepower. It's a very quick car, but it isn't just about the quickness. It's the way this car makes you feel every time you look at it because, for example, it's in Shark's Blue. It's a fantastic flamboyant blue, which is a great sports car colour, really. When it comes to Porsche 911s, it isn't just about the power, you also want spec, because you want the creature comforts, the driver comforts. This car has an insane amount of specification. I am going to feature dump some of it. One of it is, the big one, is a front axle lift system, so you can raise the front end just to clear any sort of speed bumps or them sort of little lips that you get if you get onto a drive. The PDLS lighting system, that's Porsche LED matrix lighting system. Front rear parking sensors with the reversing camera system, style packaging gloss black as you can see, and that does make a massive difference. But then you have the Turbo S staggered 20-inch on the front and 21-inch on the back, and they're also finished in gloss black, followed by the huge red brake calipers. The style package then continues on the side skirts down below, wing mirror covers, window surrounds, and you have got the GTS decals. Your stone chip guard just here, which you need because it's got such a flared rear arches. It's natural for stones to flick up and hit that, but that protects it from this. But then you've got the tilt and sliding sunroof, the GTS interior package with the red stitching, the matte finish of the carbon interior interface, cup holders just there, touchscreen media system, heated seats, BOSE upgraded sound system, and the heated GT leather steering wheel. Sports chrono package, the Carmine Red seat belts. It is a four-seater vehicle. Don't get me wrong, the back seats are extremely small, but it certainly can fit people in there, and it has got ISOFIX attachments as well. Sports seats, sports exhaust. It's got it all. When is the last time you've seen a Porsche 911 GTS with rear axle steering? This car has it. Adaptive cruise control. Round the back you have the full stressed LED lighting system, the black finish to the rear fins just there, and there's a sports exhaust system. It looks amazing. The style packaging gloss back then continues on the rear diffuser, and then let's talk condition, because when you're buying a used car, no two cars are the same. Some haven't been used correctly, some look a bit rough, a bit tired. This one is incredible, so well looked after. And I mean that because we sell lots of cars over the phone, over the internet and WhatsApp, and it's important that I'm transparent with you, and you can see straight away from this video, parts of the seats where it takes most of the impact, like here and here. This one, if you look round, is absolutely amazing. You've got the sports chrono mode shifter just there, the paddle shift, the digital on the dashboard. It's just wonderful. This one's going live now, and to get one in this colour, in this spec, one owner from new, it's a very difficult find, because a lot of the time with sports cars, you buy them and then people do change them quite often, because when you have money, your taste changes all the time. So you can have one of these with 5-6 owners very quickly. So when you do find one with warranty, one owner, full Porsche service history, right spec and colour, it's almost like, you know what, one of a kind. My name's Joe, name and numbers on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. If you like what you see, we'll get you organised. Thank you, bye-bye now.